OSHA Regulation 1910.303 states that service equipment must be installed in easily accessible locations. Sufficient access and working space should be provided around such equipment to permit ready and safe operation and maintenance of such equipment. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specify a minimum distance between a disconnect switch and its receptacle. However, industry standards generally recommend a distance of 3 feet, or 0.9 meters for a disconnect switch rated up to 600 amps and 5 feet, or 1.5 meters for a disconnect switch rated over 600 amps. The appropriate distance may vary based on several factors. Firstly, consider the size of the disconnect switch. Larger switches typically require more space for operation and maintenance. Secondly, the location of the disconnect switch is important. Switches positioned in high-traffic areas or locations where accessibility is limited might necessitate a greater distance. Thirdly, the presence of other equipment needs to be considered. Switches should be positioned in a way that prevents interference with other equipment or structures. Maintaining an appropriate distance between the disconnect switch and receptacle is crucial for several safety considerations. 1. Safe operation. This allows operators to easily access the switch for switching and maintenance tasks without the risk of contact with live parts. 2. Emergency access. In emergency situations, responders can quickly disconnect power to the equipment if necessary. 3. Ventilation. Proper ventilation is maintained to prevent overheating of the disconnect switch.